Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload status on WhatsApp with a high quality. This could be even for pictures and videos. So just please follow my steps until the end. Let's begin the tutorial. At the beginning, for sure, the first what we're going to do, we'll go and open our WhatsApp application over here. And then from the WhatsApp, up to the right corner, we're going to click on these 3 points. And then we will go to the settings. And from here, we scroll down a little bit until we can go to storage and data. We click on it. From here, we should have an option that we click on it in order to change the settings of the status on WhatsApp. If you couldn't find this option, no worries about it. Just go back to the first page over here on the WhatsApp and then click on the camera button over here. And now from here, you can choose the picture or the status that you'd like to upload. And now click on this button over here, which is HD. Click on it. And from here, you can change the quality of the status. At the end, that was all today's video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.